Your TV just got an upgrade, bigger and smarter. Google's Gemini AI has officially landed on your big screen. What if your TV knew exactly what you wanted to watch before you did? Forget endless scrolling. Now you can actually talk to your TV and it talks back. Guess what? Google has launched a conversational assistant for you. Yes, a helper that will guide you on screen and provide information about your favorite TV shows and movies. Stay tuned because I'm about to show you the coolest Gemini tricks, from finding the perfect show for the family, to doing your kids' homework, to even teaching you exciting skills. Meet Gemini on Google TV. The TV is a heartbeat of our homes. It's more than just entertainment. It's where we gather, celebrate victories, share stories, and stay connected. And now, it's about to get smarter, more personal, and more powerful than ever before. I'll show you Gemini's best tricks. Google TV is an awesome source of entertainment. Thanks to Google Assistant, your TV could already do more than play shows, like suggesting what to watch or adjusting the lights. And how? Just by listening to your voice. Pretty cool, right? But Gemini takes this to a whole new level. Google's new Gemini turns your TV into a living, talking assistant. So, what can Gemini actually do on your TV? Let's explore. Turn your TV into a conversation partner, not just a screen. Find shows that perfectly match your mood instantly. Planning a trip? Say, plan a weekend in New York, and your TV suggests the best spots right away. And yes, students, it can even help you with homework. And trust me, the last feature will blow your mind, so stay tuned. No complicated setup. Just say, "Hey Google," or press the mic button, and you're in. 1. Talk with your TV, not to it. Gemini makes the whole experience simple, transforming your TV from just a boring screen into something way more interactive. Instead of searching for hours, just say, "Recommend me a mystery show like Stranger Things, but lighter." Wow. It'll list down quite interesting options. Possible options might be, you might get suggestions like Wednesday, Reacher, Tracker, or even the latest seasons of The Bear and The Last of Us when they drop. And tons of other hits everyone's talking about right now. It's like having a buddy who knows exactly about your Netflix taste. And that's just the beginning. Let's talk about how Gemini makes finding shows for everyone in the family way easier. 2. Smart content discovery. Better recommendations. Stop scrolling, let your TV pick for you. If you're planning to enjoy favorite show on weekend, but choices matters, you like drama and your wife prefers watching comedy series. Normally, that's an argument waiting to happen. But with Gemini, it's solved in seconds. Gemini might recommend something like The Bear on Hulu for the drama lover, or Brooklyn Nine-Nine on Peacock for the comedy vibe. It even finds middle ground, like Ted Lasso on Apple TV+, which blends heartfelt drama with laughs. Gemini can even point you to Ted Lasso, streaming only on Apple TV+. Problem solved. No debates. Just movie night magic.
Number 3. Gemini, your personal TV recap buddy. When a new season of your favorite show drops, Gemini can recap everything you missed. Just ask, what happened at the end of Stranger Things Season 4? If you are eager to recall about Most Loved, season before starting the new season, ask Gemini. Give me a recap of Yellowstone before the new season starts. Are you curious to recall your top pick Season 1? What happened in The Last of Us Season 1? That way, you don't waste time rewatching. Gemini gets you ready instantly. Of course, Gemini won't play these shows directly. It just gives you the info instantly, so you're all caught up before you hit play on Netflix, Peacock, or HBO Max. And if you think that's cool, wait until you see how Gemini can actually help with real-life tasks beyond TV. Yes, it's smarter than you think. Number 4. Gemini is your kid's new study buddy. Your TV can now do homework. Seriously. The upcoming feature is really interesting. Parents and students are going to love. If your kid is stuck on a history assignment, relax. Just ask, "Hey Google, explain the causes of the American Civil War in simple words." Google Gemini can also simplify your math problems. Simply say, "Help me through solving this algebra problem step by step." Gemini turns your TV into a personal tutor, giving clear explanations, breaking things down, and even suggesting resources. It's like having homework help right in your living room without paying for a tutor. What's the first thing you'd ask your TV? Drop it in the comments. Number 5. Gemini is your show finder superpower. If you're not sure about the search options, don't worry. Google Gemini is here for you. Imagine you heard about gossips about an American football coach, played by Jason Sudeikis, gets hired to coach a struggling English soccer team, even though he has zero experience with soccer. You're curious to know about the actual story? Simply say, "What's that comedy about soccer with the American coach in the UK?" Gemini will respond with Ted Lasso. But since it's an Apple TV Plus exclusive, you'll need the app installed to actually watch it. It's like having a friend who's always in the loop. Even if you only remember a tiny detail, Gemini connects the dots and gets you straight to the show. What if TV could teach you something new every day, beyond entertaining you? Big screen, bigger brain. Your TV isn't just for shows anymore. With Gemini, it's a teacher too. Want to learn about a new recipe? Or even master guitar chords? Just ask Gemini, and it'll pull up step-by-step YouTube videos right on your TV. It's like turning your living room into a classroom, but on the biggest screen in your home. For school projects, helping your child with a class project, Gemini is here. Just ask, "Help me build a solar system model for a 5th grade science fair." Gemini will guide you step by step, from which supplies to buy at a craft store to how to paint and label each planet. It's like having Google, a teacher, and a DIY guide all on your TV screen. From Netflix to new tricks, are you excited to learn a new skill? Ask Gemini and learn big. You can ask, "How do I change a flat tire?" And your TV will pull up easy-to-follow YouTube tutorials, walking you through everything from loosening the lug nuts to putting the spare on safely. Chef Gemini at your service. Just ask Gemini, "What's a dessert I can make in less than an hour?" Your TV will suggest quick, crowd-pleasing recipes like brownies, banana pudding, or even no-bake cheesecake, with step-by-step YouTube tutorials. Or maybe it's game night and you need something savory. Ask how an easy appetizer for a football party. Gemini might pull up recipes for buffalo chicken dip, sliders, or nachos that everyone will love. It's like having a personal chef guiding you in your own kitchen right from your TV screen. Well, that's just at the beginning. Gemini is redefining TV above entertainment. All in one solution. It's a tutor, a chef, even a travel buddy. Alright, your turn. If Gemini was on your TV tonight, what's the very first thing you'd ask? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell so you don't miss more updates on the tech shaping our future.